I see it all the time in relationships where as soon as you say something to somebody, first thing they want to do, they want to pull out the laundry list. Yeah, they want to pull out the laundry list of, well, if she would have, or if he would have, or if he wouldn't have, or she wouldn't have. No, no, it's beyond that. That's the superficial stuff. That's the easy stuff. That's the stuff that you latch on to quickly, right? Because as long as you can stay with the blame, you never have to take a look at yourself. You never have to take a look at yourself. It's too much energy. It's too much energy involved when when you profess your love for somebody, when you're in a relationship with somebody and you say you love them, right? There's responsibilities that come along with that. There's expectations of how you deal with things that come along with that. You shouldn't be dealing with me the same way you be dealing with somebody out